2025 Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and I turn them into delicious dishes. This is year 30 of my crazy menus. This year's theme is Latin-esque. For our first side dish, for the Brutalist, we have the Brutalist, a carrot and onion torta with a cornmeal crust. Was a long movie. Adrien Brody, I can't imagine him not getting Best Actor. He was phenomenal. Adrien Brody's character was from Hungary. He'd been in a concentration camp. We're in the 40s. It's a tough time. He's having a brutal life. I picked root vegetables because from Hungary, there are root vegetables that are prevalent in the culture. It is also kind of peasant food, and he was not doing well financially. In deference to the brutalist style of architecture that he loved, I decided to do a very severe, structured torta and a delicious carrot and onion puree. Oh, this is really good. I'll never not make this. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.